to. Okay, we should always put it here po, not in the extension. And this is the power. Okay? Just leave it up po whenever you are removing. So for safety purposes and for the machines, after every use for the machine, you need to remove the plug and the compressor. This is what we call the air compressor. So how you to remove this one? Okay, you will retract this backward and then this one pull forward. Okay, so this is like this. So your machine is like this, so it's turned off totally. Okay, plug it there from the main switch. Then how to stop this, to close the machine so it will not move whenever you're having your surgery. Okay, this is locked already. Okay, so how to plug it? Okay, what is the use of this one? To secure. So just in case everyone is passing by here, it will not be accidentally pulled out. Then the compressor, how did you remove it? This is how you will put it back. Press it backward. Okay. Okay po. So, let's start. Let's turn it on here.
Then Ate, you need to press it on the back because the screen is separate with the machine.
Ah, older than... Which one? This
The
one?
black one.
Ah, there's another, okay, because we are using the, I think this is
Tumulog na? I told you the first machine is...
Napindot mo ba?
They changed the first machine.
Can you check other?
May napindot ka?
Something, yeah, small na.
Kasi I think wala pa.
Hindi, tumulog na siya. Maybe this is the very old version. So because in the EVA that I started to met is the EVA, the old EVA, but not the one that has a button here, open button at the back.
Yun yung black.
Okay, can I start introducing this part? Okay, this is for the vitrectomy. Okay, either gauge 20 or 23. We have two types of vitrectomy po. The gauge 20 is for the anterior and the 23 is for the posterior, which is the PPV. Then this is the power button. Everyone knows about this. And diathermy. Diathermy for the one for retina or even for the cautery. You can use this one anteriorly or posteriorly po. Then this one is for the phaco handpiece. This one is for the laser. Sometimes the laser is not working. You can retract this one and put it back, then retract it again, because there are some cases the laser is not working. So just press this one and then return it back. This is for the laser, for the illuminated, because we have two kinds of laser. We have the directional and the illuminated. We're using this one for the illuminated. Okay, for the directional, this one only. So this is light bulb, light 1, 2, and 3. Yes, this is for your, it's up to you. You can put here your main light and then the chandelier and another light if they want to. But usually we are using only 2 port. Then here for the silicone. Sometimes the silicone is not working. Why? As you can see, there is black rubber here. Once this is cut, accidentally sometimes we are very, in a hurry. So we put the silicone port here and it was accidentally cut. So there will be swishing sound, something like that. So there's no pressure whenever you're doing the silicone oil injection or removal because it was cut. So I have suggestion, the black one in the vitrectomy, black rubber, we can remove that one, so every time save it. So whenever this one is cut and damaged, we can use that one to replace it. Okay po? Because it will not work if this silicone bulb is cut. Okay, there will be air. So you cannot do the silicone. And this one is for the air. Okay, it's for PPB. And this one, we are not using this. Okay, so let's start with the screen result. So this is the like the opening. There is percentage. So once you reach the 100%, that's the time you can proceed. So touch the screen. So I suggest Engineer Omar put the setting for all the surgeons.
I think
Yes,
already.
already.
Yes. Okay. So since he put the settings already, yani, and we cannot change anything about it unless while the surgery is ongoing, the doctor might increase the power, decrease the infusion, the battle height like this. But this setting, we will not change it unless the doctor requested. And as per Engineer Omar, this is the safest setting for all the doctors. So first, this icon, this is for surgeons. So who's surgeon
Dr.
are doing the
Ali.
FACO?
Dr. Ali Al-Raji.
Al-Raji. So this is FACO hard, FACO medium, or FACO
Medium.
soft. So FACO medium. How you will have the idea if it's hard, medium, or soft based on the file. Doctor right there, dense cataract, brown cataract, like this. So by this, you can start priming with hard cataract. If it's medium, we can go with medium. If it's this is very soft cataract, we can go with soft. So from beginning, we primed it already. Anyway, later I will show it to you. While ongoing the surgery, we can, if the doctor will say, okay, make it hard, you can choose it hard while the surgery is ongoing. Okay? So, this is the diathermy, laser, memory, and system setting. So, can we start priming the FACO? Do you have cartridge for FACO?
Only for people.
Only for PPP. So, okay. Maybe we can use this one. So we don't have FACO. Can we use FACO handpiece? We can open.
Sure. Handpiece only.
But-
Yeah, handpiece only with tubings. You have tubings for FACO. At least we can use. You don't have reprocess. So would you like me to, explain it?
Explain it
Big-
without the cartridge.
Yes, okay, like this. So everyone knows. Okay, let's we will start with FACO, huh? FACO. Okay, this is doctor. Always press the surgeons and procedure because we have some incidents before. Alatul, this is the one. Okay, so the pressure is high and it's not. There's no setting for the surgeon, so you might ruin the surgery. So always choose the surgeon and which kind of what type of cataract. So let's go with medium. Okay. So how to put the cartridge? It's not like this. It's not like this. It should be from down. Okay. Okay. As you can see, clamping cartridge, calibrating. Put pressure because sometimes if we are not putting good pressure, there are some error. Ready for priming. And by the way, just for the additional, so this is the everyone knows this is EVA foot pedal. Okay, so in EVA we have the three level. Okay, first if the doctor will press in this is the irrigation. Next is the vacuum. Okay, and then the last part is the phaco power. That is the time they are getting the cataract, doing the aspiration and the vacuuming of the cataract. And this is for the laser. Guys, please, whenever you're having laser, always connect this cable. It will not work without this cable. So how you will know if it will work? There is light. Okay, blinking and the light is on. Okay. So why there is cover like this? This not to scatter the laser. So please always connect this whenever you're doing the laser. Okay, let's go. So please, and this one always close. This is laser. Once, for example, there are some bacteria or any particles that might go in, it might affect the function of your laser. So here I can go with priming. No foot pedal has been detected. Please connect the cable between the pedal and system. Sorry.
Pedal is not horizontal position. Please ensure pedal is in horizontal position. Pull.
Opo, pull. From here ate.
Dominant hand position.
Okay. Okay. So, okay, foot pedal detected. In the laser pedal, it will not work without the cable. In the EVA pedal, it will not work if the cable is in. You get po? You get it? So, a while ago, it is connected. And
But we are using it with the
Yes, with
We are
the
using
it with the cable.
also this
this one with cable. But this one, you
We
see,
can use
cannot-
without.
Yes, you can use
But we
without.
usually use
Because
with.
you know why, ate? You can charge this one. You have the charger, right?
Yeah.
This one is for just emergency purposes, like in the middle of the surgery, there's no, it will not work. So,
full charge.
okay po.
Where is the charger of that pedal?
Maybe you should put it here po. This one dito. The charger, it's black, I think.
I don't think we don't.
Wala po. We don't have charger. We
Oh,
don't
you are
have
charging it by the machine.
by the machine.
Ah, I see. Okay. So if
So
it's
it should be always connected.
yes, always connected po. Yeah, as you can see, it will not work because you can charge this one if you're not using the machine. But if you're using this one, you see, pedal detected. So meaning, it will not work if the cable is connected. But during the surgery, you're connecting this one, it's working. Okay.
And
So can we just reconnect?
even that warning.
Mm-hmm.
Will appear. We
You will just
Okay.
continue.
Yes.
We will just use.
Mm-hmm.
You are not
we have to
plugging it
reconnect. We have to reconnect because it will be
Low
low
bat.
bat,
Mhm.
and then we don't have charger, and if we have surgery,
Cases?
then
Okay,
it
okay.
should be always
Okay,
connected.
okay. But later ate, so just in case you have trouble like this, so you can just pull out the charger.
The charger.
Yes, there are two kinds. There are two ways how you will charge it. From here, because the machine, since you don't have it, because we have another charger, the separate, like for the mobile, like that. Yeah, like ate.
Sige, i-ano mo
Yeah,
na
yeah,
lang.
only one.
I-connect mo na lang, te, para ano. So red, and then yung mark is
Yes po.
sa red.
Yes, it should be here in this area. Red.
Okay.
You see this small hole here. So it should be aligned there so you can put it down.
Okay.
So it's charging.
So continue.
Please replace the cable between the Okay. So in Faco, which cartridge do you have now? Because before we have two kinds of cartridge, the gravity, the one gravity, and the one with BGPC.
The one with BGPC.
Can I ask one sample?
Sure.
Yeah, the pressurized, the BGPC, vented global pressure control. Okay, what's the difference between that one? For the gravity, we're basing on the height of the bottle. But for that one, we're just keeping the bottle here and the pressure, and it's more stable because it's air pressure. So the bottle should maintain here.
Down.
Unlike with the gravity, the bottle is here. Yeah. But just in case, because this is depends sometimes on the pack that the Albazar is giving. So, sometimes you can have the gravity. The gravity, the tubing, you have the one with chamber.
Yes.
The white one. Yeah, you're familiar with it because that was the old and this one is the new.
Yes.
So okay, you have the bottle. Okay, you prime already. In the EVA, because bear with me because I have Nexus as well. Our EVA Nexus is more sensitive and complicated than this one, and this is more older. But the good thing with EVA, you can connect everything before you before you put the cartridge. So there are two ways. Either you would, it depends on your, what makes you easy and more comfortable. You want to put the cartridge first, and then connect the tubings. Okay, the line here. This is for the BSS, the white one, for this one. And this is for the aspiration, the orange one. The red one, close this one. We don't need this one. The red one, we are using this one for PPV. But if you are in FACO, we need to close this one. That's why, please try, yes, you can see here, you need to save these colors and another blue. So you can use this one. If you don't need the port, you can close it. It's not open. Okay. So this orange is for the aspiration. This is for the PPB. So as you can see, you have 4 colors: blue, green, red, and orange. So this is aspiration port, irrigation port 1, irrigation port 2, aspiration port 1, aspiration port 2. So irrigation 1, irrigation 2, aspiration 1, aspiration 2. Okay, and this is the line for the BSS. So okay. So okay, let's since we have the VGPC, for the gravity, it's easy. Sa Alatul, it's like the macro set, the one we are using for IV. So just put it here and make sure in the chamber you have 3/4 from the BSS. You will fill it with 3/4 because sometimes why? What's the reason? Air. Yeah, the doctors are complaining.
The doctors
"Oh,
are
there's a
always-
lot of air because as you can see in your chamber here, it's less than half. So, you know, the flow of the water, so might cause the air. Okay, then for the VGPC, we have the VGPC here, ate. Nothing, sa? Okay. So for the VGPC, as you can see, there's a needle. Sa? There's a long needle, and then this is for air. Okay, guys, can you come here? This is for the air port pressure, where you will connect this blue one. And that is for PPB as well, ate. Okay. PPB as well. Show me. Yeah, same. That is PPB and fusion. Okay. Excuse me po. So this blue cable should be connected here, and then this needle, before you prick this one, okay, as you can see, there is like this as well. So what it is, a spike. So you need to can you hold it po? Yes. You need to spike it so it will open because the needle itself, it will it's still it will not go. Okay, so sometimes what we are doing, because this is new so the water is too high, and sometimes this one is you cannot see. According to the manufacturer, at least we need to expose at least 1 inches of the needle. So what we are doing, we can throw some of the BSS. Okay, so when we put this one, it's already exposed, the needle. Okay, so there will be air. So what is the difference between VGPC and the regular gravity? In the regular gravity, as you notice, if you put it here, okay, if you put it here, this is for the gravity. And the bottle should be here for the VGPC.
For the
okay,
pressurized.
so as you can see, for the gravity, you will notice the bottle is just like that. So you can press it. It's not pressurized. But if we will use the VGPC, okay, we will first of all, and difficult to a little bit difficult to demo because we don't have it in person. So first, okay, you connected here already this white one. This white one here in the white port here, and then this one should be in the air. Before you prime, okay, you already puncture this one. Before you prime, the bottle should be down, okay, at least. Then there is tubing that is connected here, one tubing here and one going there. So the one that is connected here, you should put it here, hang it here, because the bottle may be here. Why? The cable that is going in this port should not have water. Okay po? Yes, should be air only because it might damage your machine. That is maybe one main reason if your machine will not work, because maybe there are some BSs went inside. Okay po? So, okay, there is clamp. Okay, everything is ready. Can we prime it? If the scrub say yes, okay, that's the time. Press it there, then unclamp Alatul. And then, why the other tubing is here? So there's no tendency, because of the gravity, there will be no air coming from this area. Okay po? So, anything, before you prime, make sure everything is connected and not blocked. That is why some errors, this is for EVA. The good thing with EVA, not that much sensitive in a way like in the Nexus, the new one, the latest EVA Nexus. This EVA will not give you any error unless there is something blockage in the cables, in the tubings, like that. So, okay po, we prime already. So, let's proceed. Okay. You will start. Okay, everything can I prime? Okay, you can press start. Okay, so it's until 100%. So, this is BGPC. How to change? Because you know, difficult. Okay, so you're running a computer. Okay. That is BGPC. For example, you have cassette for gravity. Okay, for gravity. How will I change it from gravity to BGPC? Guys, please take care, be very careful because maybe your cassette is BGPC and you will prime it as gravity. Or the other way around. Your cassette is for gravity, your tubing is for gravity, and you prime it with VGPC. You will be in trouble. So how to change that one? Go with memory. Are you about to enter the programming mode? Are you sure? Yes. Okay, so this is the surgeons. This is, you only have how many? 2. Okay, you go to the
Low press na.
ano?
Wala. Baka yung select yung surgeon. Select mo na yung surgeon mo. Ayan.
Yung procedure. Ayan. Okay, miscellaneous. Okay.
So, miscellaneous.
So, miscellaneous. What? See? Here, this is the patient different field cup like this. Don't mind others. Just mind about the VGPC. Okay. We are in VGPC. But it so happen your tubing is gravity. How you will change it? Sorry. This one. Gravity. Okay? So, if your tubing po is gravity, the regular one, the regular tubing, you should do it like this way. Before you start priming, you need to change this one. Okay po, then save. Okay. So, how to go back? Okay, are you sure about it? Yes. So, let's go. Let's see. Now, it's gravity. Okay po.
Okay.
How to change it again? The other way around. So, how, again, I will show it to you how. Okay. Priming ko na ba? Yes. Okay. So, memory. Are you sure about to enter priming mode? Yes. So, go with this. So, it's VGPC. Do not forget to save po. Now, maybe you are in a hurry. You change it here, but you're in a hurry kalas you proceed na. So, you need to save it. So, everyone is clear now with the VGPC and the gravity po.
Yes,
This is
po.
very important when we are doing FACO. So, let's go with VGPC na lang. Let's save it like this. Okay. So, once you are priming, everything's okay. So, let's... Okay. For example, we prime already. Okay. So, sculpting, everyone knows what sculpting. And by the way, since we are in VGPC, so you cannot see it like the prime one because we don't have the things. So, this is, difficult. As you can see, there is power here. The power, the bottle height, the vacuum, and the aspiration.
Yes.
Isa po. When, ate, where's my book po?
Yan po. Nakuha na lang.
At least if you cannot see it in the screen, maybe it will help us. Okay. So this one, okay. So it will be like this. Okay, this is the power, and then the irrigation, and then the aspiration. Where is the power here? So this is the power. Okay, how to press this one? For example, for the EVA, maximum for us, in my experience, 60 is the maximum power. It depends on your surgeon. For example, the cataract is getting more hard, difficult for him to get it. So, can you increase the power? Where you will press it? In the number. Do not press it in the arrow up and arrow down. Why? You will take 100 years, ate. Okay, so press the number. And then, okay, doctor, how many? Okay. Can you make, what's the power now? 35, doc. Can you make it 40 or 45? Okay, press the number and then put that and then okay. Okay, next is the irrigation. See, in the screen, if you prime it as VGPC, you will see this mode. Okay, so you will know, I am in the VGPC. That is why you need to check. Okay, I am in the mode of VGPC. My tubing should be VGPC. So sometimes maybe it happened. What's happened like this? So maybe your tubing is gravity, then you prime it with VGPC. Okay, so we need to change, reprime it again. And this is the battle height. Same thing. You need to press the number and then change it. What is the battle height? The maximum battle height in the EVA that I know, that is the old, this is the old ones. 100, it's reaching 120, something like this. Anyway, you will see it. For example, if the doctor will tell you, give me the maximum battle height, make it 120. If it didn't reach, make it 110. So at least that is the maximum. What is the minimum? You can make it 40, 60, 50 like this. So how to change it? Always press on the number. Do not press on the up, in the arrow up or down. You will take time. And the surgeon is ongoing the surgery, so he cannot wait. He wants very fast. So for the aspiration, this is the aspiration. This is the vacuum. Do not interchange it po. As you notice, vacuum is more higher than the aspiration. How to change it again? Always press on the number. How much the vacuum, because to aspirate the cataract, they are having difficulties. So Kalas, can you increase the power? How's the power now? To the vacuum, vacuum doctor, 250. Make it 400. Make it 350. So 350, then okay. So this is for combi po. As you notice, there are some endodiathermy and the laser like this. This is combined. But for regular phaco, okay, this is the sculpting, the quadrant, I&A, epinocleus, I&A, and then polish, then anterior vitrectomy. Okay po. So for the VGPC, we have the setting. I don't know if Engineer Omar mentioned about this. How many times you did phaco?
Many times.
Many times. So for VGPC, are you changing something in the battle height?
No.
No. Okay. Maybe you can confirm that to Engineer Omar. Anyway, did the Engineer Omar didn't tell you anything about it? Because in EVA, in our EVA, the one we have, which is latest than this, so if you are using the gravity, it might affect the battle height. So what we are doing, sculpting. Ate, do you have pen and a small piece of
This
paper?
one.
A small piece of paper po. Okay, because in VGPC, just want you, if you are not doing this, just in case you need to change these things, at least you have the idea. Because in VGPC phaco, we have the sculpt, we have the sculpting. Next is quadrant. Next is epi.
We're not using everything.
You're not using epi, okay? I&A and
Visco removal.
polish.
We
Do you
don't
have
do
polish?
polish,
You don't have polish as well. Visco removal. Okay. Anyway, just for you to have some idea po, for VGPC, the IOP is affected. So as per Engineer Omar, for the sculpting, we are making the IOP, which is the battle height. Okay? IOP, intraocular pressure. Everyone knows about it. So there are some surgeons, what is the IOP? What IOP? Because for me, when I was new, IOP, it's the same with the irrigation, the battle height, the one in the center, this one. So if the doctor said, what is the IOP, especially if they are in PPB? Because in phaco, what's the battle height? What's the
pressure?
What's the pressure? But for the PPB, they used to use the word,
IOP.
they want to use the word IOP, intraocular pressure, which is this one. Okay, so for sculpting, just if you're not using this one, just to have some idea, maybe sooner or later you will have another EVA and you will use Nexus. So if Omar will tell you this, so you have idea already. For sculpting, we are changing the IOP, which is the battle height. For sculpting, we are making it 85, then save. Quadrant 100, and for epi 85, for I&A 85, and the polish, make it 50. Why? As I told you, the VGPC, it affects the pressure. So we need to do these things every now and then whenever we have phaco for VGPC. And as you said, you're fine with it. You don't need to change. Congratulations. Because for us, whenever we're making it VGPC setting, that is why I am posting it in here. So the nurses also can follow. Whenever we have VGPC, they need to change the setting. Okay po. So this is for your additional information only, just in case you need to change something. Okay? So, where are we now? Okay, everyone knows sculpting. Okay, the beginning of the cataract. Okay po. Then the quadrant, that's the time the doctor is dividing it into 4. Then epinucleus, once remove all the cataract, there are some, it's not that soft, but no need for more power. So epinucleus. And then the INA, everyone knows about the IA. For the IA, what you are using po? The IA instrument or the SIMCO?
IA instrument, handpiece.
Okay, just in case you need to use SIMCO. Do you have SIMCO, ate?
Yes.
Okay, you know how to connect it. Okay, the 10cc and the blue tube. Forget about the orange. But for the IA, should be both connected. Okay po? And always make sure it is well connected.
the color? Blue.
The orange po. Yes po, for the SIMCO. You only need the blue one and the 10cc. You tried it. Okay po. So, for the polish, you're not using polish. Okay, no problem. Visco removal. Okay po. But for us, sometimes depends on the surgeon, visco removal or INA. Okay? Because visco removal, it's, the power and the pressure. It's not. Some doctors, they keep on INA. Some of them depends on. And then for the anterior vitrectomy. Okay, with the phaco po, the only thing that you need to change, it depends on the doctor's preference. As I have said, he has setting already. This is hard cataract. He wants to increase the power, the IOP, and the vacuum. That is the only thing he will ask. Or give me the continuous irrigation, you will just press the continuous irrigation. Okay, but everything is fine. Suddenly, you have the vitrectomy. You tried the vitrectomy already po?
With this machine.
In the other machine. But for the EVA, you need to know po how to use how to, for example, give me anterior vitrectomy, how they call it, sometimes occutome, vitrectome, like this. Because already there is a vitreous rupture. So, first of all, ate, I need to, where's your vitrectomy? Do you have it?
Yes, we have.
Okay, just for example, this is, this one, ate, I need this. Can I?
Sure.
Let's just pretend. But do you have the gauge 20? Ate, the one there, it's gauge 20. 20, the one na ate Racy touch a while ago. This one. From here. This one. Okay. Okay po, as I mentioned to you, we have two kinds of vitrectomy. This blue one with the stripe of blue one, this is for gauge 20. And this is for anterior vitrectomy. You cannot use it the other way around, okay? And this one is for gauge, this is gauge 23. This is for posterior vitrectomy po. Okay, so you will not forget because this one has colored. Okay, this is for anterior. Okay, this is for posterior. Okay, just imagine that this is the blue one. Okay, give me vitrectomy. I need to do vitrectomy like this. So this one, there is something here, because this is phaco.
Yes.
So this one is closed because the only thing that is open is the blue one and the orange one. This one is red. But you need to remove the cover and attach it here. And then this one should be here. How to connect it? Okay. Okay, put it. So you can remove it because it's not locked. Okay, so press it, then twist it this way. Now, it's locked. Okay, it's like you're connected, then twist it this way. If it didn't go this way, the other way around. Okay po, so it's secure now. Okay, so in anterior vitrectomy, for us, we have the, what is this, sleeve. We have the sleeve. Do you have sleeve as well, ate?
Sleeve for handpiece only.
For the happy, sleeve for, you don't have a sleeve here. So what is the partner? How you are doing your irrigation?
Irrigation is by manual.
By manual, yes. Okay. That is okay po. Because we have two kinds. We have the sleeve. If you have the sleeve, it depends on the doctor's preference. But of course, the doctor cannot ask something that we don't have. So the bimanual instrument?
Yes.
Okay. So it's bimanual, the blue. So forget about the orange again. Get the blue one. And then connect with the bimanual, and then this is the vitrectomy. Okay. How to prime it? Okay, I cannot go with priming since you don't have. So, the anterior vitrectomy, okay, you press this one, and then, you connected already. Before priming the vitrectomy, okay, you need to attach these things, and you have your bowl with BSS, right po? This one need to be soaked in the water, not in the floor of the BSS. It should be in the water only, okay? Then this is connected. So, your circulating will tell the nurse, the scrub nurse, ready, we can prime, okay. First of all, you need to go with vitrectomy. Forget about these things. If the doctor say, okay, I need vitrectomy, suddenly, that is a complication already. So, anterior vitrectomy, it will come this way. How you will prime? There are some notes here. Okay, prime cutter. Okay, then prime cutter, you should put it in the, but please always check your BSS level. Okay, how to change the BSS level? Okay, for example, it's like 50 cc. Okay, because in EVA, unlike in the Nexus, sorry, but I need to compare. Because in the Nexus, the machine is saying BSS level 50% like this, 50 cc. So at least there are some guide that will tell us. But for the EVA, one should monitor. Okay, so if you know that it's 50 and the 50 or 100 ml, and you know that this case will take more time, you need to change it. How to change it? If you are using the gravity mode, you need to go with the battle height, press the battle height, make it 50, so the pole will go down. Close the clamp first, then put another BSS, unclamp, and then make it 100, 110, whatever is the previous battle height. Then you can ask the surgeon to proceed. And please, whenever you're changing the BSS, please do inform your surgeon because it might affect the surgeon. Doctor, can you remove? Doctor, or if they will not remove, at least they will stop. They will not do anything because opening something, it might cause air or something might cause the pressure in the eye. Okay po. And for the BGPC, same thing. The BGPC, we are clear with that po. For the gravity, the BSS should be in the second pole. For the gravity, should be in the
For the
BGPC, sorry, in the first pole. And then same thing, how to change? You need to clamp we have the clamp, the roller clamps. So always close it before changing. Okay. Let's proceed. Let's go back to the vitrectomy. So you will see something here, prime cutter. Press that one while soaking this one in the BSS. Something like 100. There's a sound like that. So once you reach the 100% or something like that, okay, you're already primed with the cutter. It will appear here. It will appear there like for the vitrectomy. So for the vitrectomy, it will appear here the cutting rate. Okay, you will there's as Mr. Engineer Omar write the settings already, save the settings. So just in case there's anterior vitrectomy, there's already settings for the this surgeon. So doctor, you will tell the doctor, the cutting rate is start, because there's start and end, as you can see. Start 600 and to 1,200. Okay, can you make it both 8,000 and 8,000 start? Okay, doctor. Battle height, doctor, like this. And then the vacuum, doctor, is 50 like this. So you need to inform each parameters to the surgeon because they might change. But you, as the nurse, we have no right to change anything without his request. Okay, because this is already his setting. Okay, unless he and this is the common changes that they might ask. Okay, so this is for the anterior vitrectomy, like that. And for the anterior vitrectomy, do you have 3-piece IOL, ate?
Yes.
Okay, what is the one that you have?
We have Avance.
Oh, same. The 6 PNAS, like that. Okay. So that is along with the anterior vitrectomy. So you're the one assisting the preparing the lens, or the doctor?
Doctor, we will just open the lens for him, and he's the one.
But do you have the idea how to use it?
The 3-piece?
The 3-piece.
Yes, we will just offer it to him, and then he is the one who
Okay.
put the visco and everything.
Okay po. So this is the anterior vitrectomy. Okay? So whenever the doctor is doing the anterior vitrectomy, this is by manual, he might ask you for the Wixel. Because he want to check. Some doctors, they will check first. Once they stop, that's the time you need to prepare na. That is why these things should always be standby. Anterior vitrectomy. Unlike the PPB, you will prepare everything. But this one, this is an this is the complication that is expected. So we need to have this blue color, this
Pattern,
one,
yeah.
okay, and your by manual po,
Mm.
okay. So again, this is clear to everyone. This is
Yes.
for the anterior, and this one is the for
Posterior.
posterior. Same connection, okay
Yes.
po.
Okay.
So let's any question po regarding phaco? So far, because phaco, you're already encountering your phaco and you're more familiar with that. So that is the thing na always check the tubing. This is more, and then the power, like that. So let's go with PPV.